Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to change your profile picture in Microsoft account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are free to the channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft account with your Outlook mail and password. After you have successfully logged into your Outlook mail, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here. So click on this icon right here, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is just click on this particular add or change picture. So click on that, and it's going to automatically reopen in a new page, just like what you see right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, click on add a photo. Then from your desktop, you have to look for where you have the profile picture. So I'm going to choose this particular picture, and I'll hit on open, just like so. Then right here, you can adjust the picture. You can use this particular slider to adjust the picture. So once you're satisfied with the picture, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and come down below right here where you see save. Click on that. Looking sharp today. So you can also update your profile picture, manage your device, and set up Microsoft account. So once you're done with successfully add your profile picture to your Microsoft account, next thing you can do is to come down below right here, click on close, and you have your picture right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add your profile picture to your Microsoft account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.